Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to download the Castle Movie app on your laptop or PC in 2026. So let's get started. Now, since this application is mainly designed for Android devices, we cannot install it directly on Windows. So for this, we will use an Android emulator. An emulator allows you to run mobile apps on your PC or laptop easily. First, open any browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Now go to the search bar and type Nox Player Download, then press Enter. You will see the official website of Nox Player in the search results. Click on the official website link. Once the website opens, you will see a download button. Click on Download and wait for the file to download. After the download is complete, open the setup file. Now install Nox Player just like any other software. Click Next, agree to the terms, and complete the installation process. Once installed, open Nox Player. It may take a few seconds to start for the first time. After opening, you will see an interface similar to an Android phone. Type Castle app or the exact name of the app you are looking for, then press Enter. From the search results, find the correct app and click on Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, you can open the app directly from the emulator. Now you can use the Castle Movie app on your PC or laptop just like you would on a mobile phone. Make sure your internet connection is stable for smooth performance. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.